Today, I'm here with the legendary architect of India who has more than 40 years of experience. Apart this, if I talk about beyond the buildings and boardrooms, she is known for something rare. That the way she think, the way she lead and build, but she was not expected to. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome architect Sonali Bhagwati.
Architecture needs to be obviously much more creative.
Yes.
And I used to always love a lot of art. So I said, oh my God, my nemesis has come to haunt me again, you know. So, okay, I did that, but I suddenly said that, listen, this is not happening. And then suddenly I had this panic attack that am I going to remain illiterate or something? After spending 5 years in Ahmedabad and I spent a year in Paris, I was very heavily influenced by the modern era because we were in such close proximity with B.V. Doshi. He was like a mentor, guide. He was in and out of our lives.
You were so
know?
lucky to work with him.
Every line that you draw must have a story, must have a narrative. Why are you drawing it? What is your end game? So if you question yourself at all times, push yourself to find the answers. The moment I see anything which is well worked out, it actually gives me this great sense of pleasure. And it's like eating a good meal or something.
What you like the most, heritage or high-rise contemporary?
You know, I did my thesis on heritage. So I think there is something about heritage which is part and parcel of me. But it is not to say that we have to go back to that. We have to be able to look forward. And yes, high rise is the way forward. So there is nothing wrong in it. Aesthetics, it's like different people have different aesthetics. So I cannot say mine is better than yours or yours is better than theirs, you know. So that is each one to themselves. But the principles have to remain. And when you lose that, then you are nowhere.